To the USA.
You love me over there, you know?
Yeah, I got 50 US here for you.
Wow!
From Heather.
Heather!
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I thank you so much, Heather.
Heather. So
thank you very much.
Count
You're
it.
so
50,
blessed.
50 US.
Make sure nobody gets it again from
Oh,
your house.
they want me
like
count it.
before.
Yeah, it's 50.
But Tyler on YouTube saying $17,000 as well. Just count it first.
Tyler on YouTube. Tyler on YouTube. God bless you. And thank you very much for your support.
So 17, so it's going to say 17. So thank you so much, Tyler. So guys, please go and check out Tyler on YouTube. And I also have 20,000 from Anonymous as well too, from the USA. $20,000, so it's count done. And so I also have one $10,000 worth from the Overcomers from the USA. 10,000 from the Overcomers.
That's $2,000.
Yeah. So Overcomers.
Overcomers. Respect.
Yes, amigo.
Amigo.
We are back.
Alright.
Where are you going to?
Greetings, mom.
Where are you going to?
Eh?
You know when she come?
Me, you know I'm come.
Eh?
You know I'm come.
Where we are going to spend money?
You know, me and him last minute. Me and him last minute.
Thank you guys so much for supporting me so I can walk again.
Yes, wow, thank you so much.
Me don't know what them a pre bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean but I like that. Me a step up in a left them me like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard then want me feel. Want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day
Yeah, prefects are ugly man.
Oh, yeah.
You're my yellow fool man.
Yeah, him say Michael Jackson live on. I mean. Make a circle and give out some donation and forward. Yeah. Alright. Yeah. Colors. Colors are the first one. Colors!
Colors or colors?
Colors.
Hey,
I am telling you.
sweet.
Colors day to day.
First you see me in this outfit, innit?
Yeah,
You have two films.
My colors don't have anything worrying about, you know.
hey.
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 Yeah.
Today.
You first you see me in this one, innit?
Yeah.
Hey.
Last night I was in blue and white. First night I was in the army.
Yeah.
No, I'm
Just
in
like
green.
Kino.
Just like today.
Yes.
Guys, look at Kino today. Kino outfit.
I'm in the army today.
Hey,
Yeah.
from the shoe.
What I'm saying, you,
Soldier.
know, Kino, you need to get a soldier boot like mine too, you know.
Yeah, yes. The guys
People love fashion in Trenchtown.
colors
Look at that.
you know.
Yes. Why would I say fashion over style?
Hey.
You know what I'm saying?
Guys, look at the. She's in hers as well. There's her Clarks from feet.
Whoa.
Clarks from feet.
Big mama.
So guys, so today we and these moving around, giving out some donations.
That's it.
You know, these rolling with a bag of money.
That's it.
Right
Rich
there.
girl.
She's rich.
Oh my God.
So
Rich at heart.
yes guys, so welcome back to Kino Life in Jamaica. So now we're here in Trenchtown, going to give out some donations. So, you know, The first on the list, on top of the list was colors.
You kidding?
Kidding? No?
Wow,
I'm for
exactly.
real.
So true.
So
But
true.
first, I want to big up extended family, you know.
Mhm.
You know,
Come
I
inside
can't stop talking about these people, you know.
Yeah.
And big up D too, you know.
Thank you.
Yes.
Yeah.
Now I'm part of the dream
Ah.
team.
Yeah.
When you and Kino came to the airport last week for the
Sure.
Empress, the amount of people talking about it. They were saying colors. I never know you have those kind of link.
Yeah, that is it. Tell them you and your friends you're a big
I was
deal.
telling them, say, "Mama, say, I'm a superstar." and
Aye.
everything.
Alright, them don't know already. They should know. Guys, if you don't know colors, you're a superstar. Why are you still late? What's going on?
That's what I'm
Eh?
saying,
You
bro.
never used to watch him back in days.
Yeah.
In the 1970 shows.
Wow.
In same one. Colors.
Real, man.
Alright,
Oh, you
colors.
have the donation
Okay.
in your hand.
Yeah, this one I got the one. So
Oh.
colors, I got 2 donations here for you.
Okay.
First, I'm gonna send it to the USA.
Really?
Yes.
Wow.
I send it to the USA.
They love me over there, you know.
Yeah, I got 50 US here for you.
Wow.
From Heather.
Heather.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. I thank you so much, Heather.
Heather. So
Thank you very
just
much.
count
You're
it.
so
50,
blessed.
50 US.
Make sure nobody
Yes.
gets it again from
Oh,
your house.
they
like
want me
before.
count it. Yeah, it's 50.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Thank you so much very much, Heather. I'm blessed, you know. Always. People tell me that all the time.
Yeah. I feel that. And I got another one here for you. From Yvette Joseph from Washington DC.
Wow.
$4,000
Okay.
from Yvette Joseph from Washington DC.
Thank you so much, Miss Yvette
Joseph.
Joseph. Oh my gosh. Because honestly, I was out because like the flu.
Yeah.
I catch the flu like Monday night because over the airport D was very cold, you know.
Yeah.
And you know me have a thin body here, you know.
Yeah.
Cool. That is
Yeah,
true.
alright.
You know, it was cold for him.
Yeah, 'cause I remember I'm sickly in a these. So,
Oh,
you get what I'm saying?
yeah.
Yeah.
At least you go cold breeze.
Yeah.
Because of
Yeah.
the AC?
No.
Huh?
Because of the AC?
Because
No,
The color?
not really. The sea
color?
breeze, man.
Oh, the sea breeze.
Yes, you get me.
I will go.
One thing I love about
But
colors is the fact
I'm
that
okay
colors
now.
try to do something.
Yeah.
You can't even know, you can't even tell.
Trust.
I'm okay now, you know.
Alright, good.
Yes.
Looking at the bag, you see we have a donation for Boom as well.
And I wanna thank
And liquor.
I wanna thank everybody for this donation.
Yeah,
So
man.
much. I know I love colors, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, this Kino.
Yeah,
You see
take it
the
out
people
now,
them
look.
from London. Big up my fans them from London.
Oh, not this one. Text next one.
Yes, big up all my fans them from London, all my fans them from Canada, all my fans them from the US.
Yeah.
Where I'ma say the real colors, yo. But don't forget that trip to come look for you guys. Trust me. I know what I got at me, you know.
Take this out.
Yeah.
What a go on? I wonder why them don't come out. Normally them come out and them chest up in the ear.
Them are hide.
Them a hide.
Yes.
See what now?
So Kino,
I want
Nice.
this.
I'm gonna go back go and raise you.
Yeah. Alright.
Okay.
Boom.
Later.
Yeah, yeah.
Later. Guys, one thing I love about him is the fact that he really works hard. You can't even know like what it is.
Yeah.
So big up colors.
Oh,
So
yeah.
another donation for Boom from Anonymous in the United States.
Yes. Anonymous. Take out the paper. $5,000 from Anonymous from the USA.
Anonymous.
Pass that for me.
Blessed and one love. Thanks, yeah. Blessed.
Alright, so that's from Anonymous as well.
Cool.
Mother Teresa.
What, mommy? Oh, good.
So-
Hey, your friend really. He calls you my good friend. Can I don't know my friend?
Yes, him say you're my good friend.
Yeah, guess who's your friend? Do you know your friend?
Well, him said I should give you the number as well too.
Yeah.
Yeah. So his name is
Oliver.
Oliver from the USA. Well, it's not Oliver and Carla, it's a different Oliver. So that's $20,000 from Oliver. From your good friend Oliver
Thank you,
to
Oliver.
help out with your material.
And oh, God bless you and keep you. Yeah, your family, all of whoever support, thank you very much. And oh, God bless you. The best never ends.
Okay. So him say I should give you his number as well too. So just remind me to give it to you, okay?
That is it.
That is it. So on a vampire over there. You can pass and give Shannon.
Vampire?
Yeah.
I saw them call him.
So them can.
Yes, guys. So we can pass and give to donation. Oh, we wait for a hero. Yes, guys. So I want to give thanks so much, you know.
Oh.
You know, I want to give thanks so much. So we're going to help to see Shanet's dad, you know, and also, oh, we need to see Amigo as well too. Amigo say he want some money. What you say he want to do?
He want the whole of the money. So I want buy one TV and one bag.
One bag.
Yes, so
Alright.
so when you do with so much money, you must buy one bag. But you look like somebody else.
Alright,
let's talk about that. Make Esther give it to you. I just forgot some left it. 1 feet and come. Watch the boom. See what going. Hey, what's up? My kids. My kids is here. Guys, this is my kids. A dream team.
Dream team, one team.
Hey, these are my kids. I am the daddy, right?
Yeah.
Alright, my kids. So my next big daughter just come here. Oh, I got my big daughter. Wash up the plate them already?
Long time.
Alright. Remember go home and cook till I come, right? Sweep up the yard. Right? Make sure so the yard water the flowers them as well too.
Alright.
Yeah? Please. My big daughter, my young kids.
Hey, that one is not a man enough.
Not dog, no. Shucks. Nobody no give me tattoo. And me put it on. But you lot, no tattoo, okay?
Yeah.
No tattoo. Okay?
Yeah.
Big mama have ice cream? No. Eh?
I'm fine now.
No ice cream? She in there? Okay.
Come now.
Oh, where's your mommy? Hey, your mom, she in there? Alright, go and tell us I'm coming. Go and tell her I'm coming. Where's him?
Yeah, tell us fear mother die.
Okay. Where they? Like this? Oh, I'm coming. Open. Mango, somebody out here though.
Oh, wow, God. All good?
Tell?
That's it.
Felicia? Okay. Mango. What's that? Mango or mango? Whichever.
Yes,
It's the mango. Says Rose Fortis Blessings. How are you doing? You sleeping?
No.
Okay, resting up. So I'm just here and passing by because I got a bag here for you with some Ensure, right? And she said these Ensure is for whenever you do your dialysis. Yeah, so this one is let me see. Yeah, she said this is for it. Whenever you do your dialysis and you feel weak or anything, so this one goes with it. This type of Ensure, you know, because she's in that field as well too. Yes, so she bring these for you as well too. Her name is Rose Fortis Blessings. You know, that's her website as well too. So she send these Ensure here for you. So this is good for what you got as well too. Your name
Thanks to Rose for your donation. Thanks for me. Thanks a lot. We appreciate it.
Yes. So basically, so this is good for you, you know, because you know it's not everything you can drink, right? So this one is definitely for you, right? So she knows, so you know, say this one you can drink, okay? It's help out. Yeah. So we give thanks. So we thank you so much, Rose Fortis, you know, blessing Felicia with these Ensure can help out. How more kids me get?
Yeah.
Hey, so me have 2, 4, 6, 7 kids now.
Yeah.
Hey, so I just adapt. So what do you want to get? One tell me what you want. You want juice? You want juice? Juice, you know what?
Me want no.
So who can share?
Me.
If me go on $1,000, how much you gonna give each other? That's 7, right?
Yes, sir.
So they gonna leave how much more? $300. Take up those for me, please. So may I give him $1,000. Who's the bigger one?
Me. No. I take bigger one.
Oh, so,
My bigger one.
oh, see another one there.
Bigger one. 8 kids.
8.
My bigger one.
Sorry,
And the birthday boy is outside.
Alright, so 9. So now again another person 100. So everybody get 100 when they can buy a juice, right?
Yes.
So see there says 1,000. So get the change and everyone. So not say thanks. You just take it and run gone. So. Alright, so give everybody 100, okay? Alright then. Alright, you feel?
You know why you come share it all? You come share it all.
So when you can't share, unless you share it, how are you going to share it?
Ryan.
Share it. How will you share it? Ryan?
Yeah, the biggest one.
Oh.
Share it up for them.
Yeah, share it up for them, you know. Alright, well go on. Alright, respect, yeah? Respect. Here. Yeah. Alright, place where I walk. Raga. All is well. Rose Factory. We're gonna stop at Amigo and give him something. What's your name again? We'll stop at Amigo and give him something, yeah? The keeper, I forgot your name. Yeah, Chrissy.
I don't have my name for it's life now.
It's life, more life. General, cool. Take out the Amigo money for me. Yes, guys, so. You're back in a lot, D. The big package.
That is it. Next,
Yes.
Amigo on the stage. But when I'm doing videos, I never take me through all this things.
We'll walk on the front, that's why.
This is the beauty.
So this is what you like to come through.
You don't
I will be coming alone.
Yeah.
Now
Alright. Yes guys, so Amigo.
You gotta take the choppy them.
Send call, say you need money to get TV. Hello. Oh me look now me that on our phone. Hey, I catch you right in time. Hey, press the like button too.
The light this?
Yes. That is it. You see that it's soon start. Right in time. You see that hero?
You might always hear. Dear place there?
Yeah.
You might tell me say. Tell lie me and my still lie me so me say if when me still lie me come and catch you me gone do something.
Yeah.
Tell lie me say.
Tell me.
Tell you say. Yeah, he want see you can say more buy one
TV.
For watch. Yeah, and him say the cool shop he want fix it.
Okay.
Yeah, he want fix it and buy some cool.
Okay. Yeah, so who are gonna assist him and help him out with that since?
Alright. But tell him say him can excuse no listen me talk on the family and talk. But tell him say well the cool shop now tell him say all much of that. You can send go buy the board. Yeah, and when he buy the board, I tell him say he can make my son align me. You understand? Yeah, fix it.
Alright, so cause you and him related, right?
Me and him related, yeah.
Yeah, why? Cousin?
Yeah, cousin. Cause you know me and him always talk and support. So me say him, I call him, send me that.
Okay, so you can come, more you come assist and so I go and come. Hold me please, come.
Okay.
Come. Alright then.
Yeah, we just come up and go down and brush up the face, you know?
Alright then.
Yes,
Amigo.
we are back.
Alright.
Where are you going to?
Greetings, mom.
Where are you going to?
Eh?
You know when she come?
Me, you know I'm come.
Eh?
You know I'm come.
We are not going to spend money.
Me and him last minute. Remember say yeah, you call me, you know? Oh, Remember you call me. I tell me to tell you say you want to see him. Alright.
And you tell him.
Yeah, me send them go look
Yeah,
for
come
him.
and said, boy, let me tell you, you have to tell lie me. Lie me no want to come to you, you know.
I'm still a teach that and tell her.
They say, well, him say lie me to me. Lie me want to pass me the pay me now.
Let me come call me. Let me tell me come tell me, and that's why me come to you and say when Kino come. Oh, that's who me still I teach that yesterday. I tell her what to say. I mean, I tell
I want a little bat, I want to be them. I want a big bat, you know. I want a little bat.
Want a little bat.
Because me not fight no war with the one, you know. A little bat, I want that tea up and that's all.
Yeah.
Pack on there, because I want something. It was fit light. And anything because it was feedback now that you know you may have to talk about that.
Alright, so guys, so Amigo say he want to get a TV and he want to get a bath. So count that money for me please. Because him have 95.
No, you don't touch me.
No touching Amigo. No.
Don't touch it.
So you do it for me.
And me want to do it for you?
You may take a deal for me, because I want to get the chance to eye that come me eye. Tell them come here.
Okay, there we go, guys.
Then I'm going to do the cool shop again.
Yeah?
Then I'm going to do the cool shop.
20, 25,
You know, I want to get eye that about because you're night time.
27.
Okay,
29,
Guy, I say something to me.
31.
I want some cool and I say.
33.
You don't know what to say.
Wait. Let me count the big notes first. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25.
Yes, 25, all this.
Yeah, that's 25. 2. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
You want to decide where you don't mean?
35.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
45.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
That's 55.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So 65. So count that and see if it's 30 in total. Let's pull it out like this.
If it's 30 in total.
30 if it's 30.
Oh, okay. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18,
So, Amigo.
20. 1,
So you want TV
4,
Yeah.
and bath?
9, 10. This is 30,000.
Yeah, so that's 95,000 in total.
Yeah.
So basically then we're not going to give him all
I don't
then.
want to pick like this, you know.
Alright, so Amigo.
Like that.
I don't want to pick like this.
What you say more
You
kettle?
know what I mean?
Everyone in Quanky, but you don't want to like that. Everyone that is one of fast.
Alright, so I guess me have to go buy them film then.
Yeah.
Alright.
And time to plug it in, I have to
So you give it all to him?
No.
One so.
I've got to keep it back. Kind of like I'm saying. Amigo! Amigo! You hear me?
Yeah.
So you want to buy the TV for you?
Yeah.
And you want a bath?
Yeah.
And you want a kettle?
Right.
Right? Alright then, so I'm going to buy it for you. I'm not going to give you the money then. I'm going to buy it for you. Okay?
Yeah.
And then I show you how much money spent and show you how many money left, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm not gonna buy it today, so hopefully Saturday or yeah?
Right. More than quarantine, man.
Cool.
More. Back up, me.
So Amigo, where's the money that you get the last time?
Me have.
You have it?
Yeah, me.
So why not buy coal out of that? How much you have left?
16.
16?
Yeah.
So how much is the coal? 2,000? 2,000 for the coal, right?
Coal 18,000 for 10 bag of coal.
So how much coal you want to buy?
More 20.
20?
Just send them back. I don't want to get. You understand?
Alright, listen, Amigo. Listen, I'm gonna buy the TV, the kettle, and the bath. Anything left, you're gonna give it to you, and you buy the coal, okay?
Right.
Alright?
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah, you do it for me now.
Yeah, I'm gonna do it.
Alright.
I do what size TV that again? What do you buy? 32, right? So last time guys we did buy my 32
It's right there.
Yeah. You know, so I guess him say it's not working.
Yeah, no.
Alright then, amigo.
Give me that 5 that a man to buy. I tell you by myself.
You want another 5 again?
Yeah.
Give him another 5, please.
Never come by.
Amigo, something else.
Because I'll put that tell him then, alright then when you buy the you know like
Then
2
you
pieces
go
of
Amigo.
Yeah, give him 5.
second hand
So we have
child, then
90.
fix it, I'll buy the coal and put in there.
Alright then. Okay.
Enjoy, okay?
Alright then, yeah?
Yeah.
Big up.
Man, I don't want to get that guy. You put the whole life off in there, no. I want the flat one. I say that I don't want that one there, no. Want the better flat one, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright.
I know life you put on for me, and I say,
Yeah.
the whole life.
You have coal in there? You not sell them? Alright, come on. Do what you can do. Alright, come, boom.
Give me money. Give me money. Give me money. Give me money.
Give me money, go on, you give me money.
Amigo, Lego.
Alright then, yeah?
Alright.
Yeah.
Alright.
Alright. Alright, line.
Let me call you. Bunny. That one.
Come. Let me walk down with the girl? Look like let me walk down with the girl. Yes. Yes guys, so the sun is this way. It's windy. Yes. Amigo is something else.
My son put on 5, put on 5. Yeah, don't do like, you know?
Yeah.
That's the best bit.
And I'm still up.
If they don't want to know how we
Alright guys, so Amigo say he want us to buy the TV, kettle and a bath.
What is a bag?
A bath pan. Are you washing? Yeah, you know what
I didn't want one of the something like that.
Oh, like a surge protector.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, so we have to get those for him. House one clean, we have to pay somebody to clean him house. Yeah.
Oh, that's just
Yeah.
They say me I come clean in there. And him doing that so you know.
Yeah.
I look at the new tier on the floor.
Okay.
That's what I worry about.
Mikey! Go. These are the artwork,
yeah, so good. Wow.
match your colors as well, you know.
Telling you.
So we have a Rasta color.
Hey, Bunny way long. Bob Marley.
Come think on the gun with her. Oh, Sarah there.
We are now right back. We are wait for it, yeah.
Oh.
Come, shall go right back and check first.
Oh. Yes guys, so we're gonna visit the local boy. Local boy that got shot. We're gonna visit him and give him some donation, you know, because we got some donation for him the last time, you know, so I want to thank each and everyone that support him as well too. You know, we're thanking you so much for the support, you know. We're thanking you so much for the compassion, you know. All the kind-hearted people that all that helping out, we're thanking you so much, you know, so I was looking for your picture on the wall, but it wasn't there. So I know once he wasn't there, there's no picture on the wall.
Let me get some roots.
Roots? Oh, hello, you alright? You sell roots?
Yeah, I saw them.
Spirulina? Yeah. Ah, I'm a general. You know me? Yeah. Spirulina, it builds the confidence. Yeah. Support by two spirulina. How much you want this? 5 spirulina a day. How much you want? 200?
She never worked as much as I did.
5 of them?
She don't want 5, she's joking. You don't want 5? Yeah, she wants 5.
I worked, money went into the account, she took from it and spent.
5.
I never left.
Mom told me when you go to Jamaica, drink more roots.
I'm doing this thing. Yeah?
5.
This person
Mommy, I'm drinking roots the way you say it.
wordless. And they say,
So mother says she must drink roots.
you're a bad parent and the man's in there, not time enough. She had 2 kids that were not mine. 1 son that was mine. But as the main breadwinner for the house.
Open the gate.
On the beach side,
More quiet.
More quiet. Yeah, they're coming out.
Private.
Yeah. That is it. Put 0 over the side there, where the flowers there. Small flowers. Second time, we'll make them lock it off. So. And keep party. Them alright?
Am I right?
Yeah.
You want me to sit down, Kina? You want me to sit down?
Catch will? Dream shot. Go and catch.
You can turn it over because it's a squeeze. You could have go for one Amsterdam beer.
Oh man, this good man, this good. This good. Zane, what's up? You think good? Cool. Chrissy, how is everything?
I'm blessed.
Yes. Kind of the video that we put out touch a lot of people, you know. A lot of the view them call crying as well too. You know, it was really sad when them watch the video. Some say they couldn't watch it for long, you know, without crying. You know, so there's a lot of phone call concerning there. There's so much people out there love you, you know, boy. So yeah, right now you have a whole heap of fans love you. You know what I'm saying? Tell them your name, because last time you never tell them, so you can't tell them this time. Tell them your name. Go on, see your smile now, tell them your name. Go on now. Tell them what's your name.
My name is Zane.
Alright.
Oh, Zane.
So you're close to my brother named Zidane.
Yeah, Zidane, yeah.
Yeah, it's close. We told him. And his man love football as well too. You know, well, he's a footballer, so I'm going to start watching him when he start to play back again very soon. You know? So you know, say a lot of people is going to start watching when you play now. You know, time is going to come. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
put them on other team, other side.
Yeah.
Children play together. They call it a tournament.
Yeah.
Like every month or so, and give them money.
Yeah.
And give them money and then play together.
Okay. So for most of the people then that, well, we're getting a lot of new viewers every day, you know, for who missed the last video, you know, about the little boy that got shot, you know. This is his mommy Chrissy, and this is Zay, you know, he got shot in a crossfire here in Trenchtown. That's like about 5 months ago, right? Yeah. Yeah, so about 5 months ago that happened, that take place, you know. A drive-by shooting was going on in the community, you know, and he get caught in the crossfire while he was coming from shop, right? He was coming from shop. That was really a sad news, you know, to find, and it's only 10 years old, you know, it's only 10, you know, when soon 11, right? So the first time when I heard about the news, yeah, when they told me it's a little boy, I was thinking about someone in his teen, you know, or 20. You know, but when I get to find out he's 10, that really moved me to find out he was so young as well too, you know. So we give thanks, you know, to the Almighty. Nothing worse never happened, you know, but now it's just his legs now, you know. He's doing therapy. And we know therapy is a thing gonna cost a lot of money for therapy to continue, for him to start walk. You know, so that's why I did ask for the support for him can continue to get the therapy so he can start walk very soon, you know, and we did. Got a lot of support from the viewers them as well. I want to thank you so much that reach out to help out this situation, because we know the therapy is needed for him to continue to do so he can get back to go play his football, because I really love football so much. Even though I support the wrong side, Liverpool, you know, I should support Man United, right? but I know, but at least, But I know when he start to play back football again, he's got to remember Keno, he's got to decide to play for Manchester United. But, you know, we want to help him out. So, guys, we thank you so much for the support. You know, and Chrissy, we thank you so much, you know, for being a strong mom, you know, there, same way. Because we understand it's not easy for you to bear the pain, you know. But
you have to be strong for him, because he's strong. He proven his strength to me, that he's a strong boy. Yeah. So I have to be strong.
Yes. So do
anything we now go solve it, so I have to be strong.
Yeah, definitely. So you done any therapy session recently this week?
No, next week, because we have an appointment. Children, so we could get to go to therapy this Tuesday. So
next Tuesday. Alright, and so we got some donation here, you know, for him to help out. I just always want to thank you so much, you know, for helping out, guys, and if you can continue to help to support the need of him to get the therapy done, so you know we can help him to walk as soon as possible. Right, I will thank you so much for the act of kindness, you know, for showing the love, you know that we're in this together, right? So togetherness. So I want to find out him use toilets here or he use Pampers.
Because to him really have the feeling to say he wants to pass in school, so you have to wear the Pampers and take something to help the school.
Okay. So alright, because when someone called me as well to say about a lot of Pampers, just flying from America, so I need to go pick them up as well too. So like I know I'm gonna bring some as well too. What size in here?
Yeah. The adult one can be small or medium.
Small or medium. Alright, so I'm gonna collect some and then I'm gonna bring some packet come here, okay? Because same come also wear Pampers. So alright, so pull out the plastic for me, please. You can start from the top one.
I'll just start from
this
here.
one. Start from around there.
Okay.
So you start from Don, you know. I got $2,000 a year from Don, from the USA, you know, to help out.
Don from the USA, I thank you very much for your support, and I pray God bless you always.
Alright then. I will also have from the 2nd Street Girl, you know, she call herself 2nd Street Girl. You know who?
Them know, no problem.
Yeah. No, but she is way back. days from Trenchtown. She's never been back here. So she got herself the 2nd Street girl. So it's $3,000 a year from the 2nd Street girl from
the
Canada.
2nd Street girl from Canada. Thank you very much. And God bless you.
Alright then. And we also have Bertis as well too from Canada. $3,000 here. Bertis from Canada.
Bertis from Canada. Thank you very much. And God bless you.
I also have Leonie from Texas. $7,000 from Leonie from Texas.
Leonie from Texas. Thank you very much. And God bless you.
I will also have the Jamaican Nana from the USA. $8,000 from Jamaican Nana.
Jamaican Nana from the USA. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. God bless you.
From Jamaican Nana. I will also have Muriel and Cosmore from the USA. $8,500 from Muriel and Cosmo.
And Cosmo from the USA. Thank you very much and God bless you.
Okay. I also have this is Corinne from New Jersey. $14,000 from Corinne from
New Jersey. Thank you very much and God bless you.
Yeah, so let's count it. Says 14. That's the cup. 14 from Corinne from New Jersey. We also have Tyler. Well, he's a YouTuber as well too. Yeah, known as Tyler from the UK. So guys, his name. See if you can check him out on YouTube. You know, his name is Tyler. You can go and subscribe. You know, his name is Tyler on YouTube. You can go and give him some subscribe. You know, for the act of kindness, for helping out. I would thank you so much. So guys, please go and check out his YouTube channel. His name is Tyler on YouTube. Right, so Tyler on YouTube sends $17,000 as well. Just count it first.
Tyler on YouTube. Tyler on YouTube. God bless you. And thank you very much for your support.
So 17, so it's going to say 17. 17. So thank you so much, Tyler. So guys, please go and check out Tyler on YouTube. And I also have 20,000 from Anonymous as well too from the USA. $20,000. So it's count done.
Anonymous from the USA. Thank you very much. Thank you for your support.
So guys, so
all the supporters, thank you very much one to all, and God bless you always.
We have to chat. You want to thank them? Yeah, you can thank them. Go on. So thank you guys so much for supporting me. Well, so thank you guys so much for supporting me.
Thank you guys so much for supporting me so I can walk again.
Yes, wow, thank you so much. And I just want to thank all our extended families, you know, thank you so much for reaching out. I'm just asking you please if you can always continue, you know, to reach out to help out his situation, you know, for him to can walk again very soon, because you know in Jamaica the therapist session is really expensive for a session, you know. So remember, she's a single mom, you know, and any support we can get, you know, we kindly ask, you know, if we can continue to do so. I really appreciate it. And thank you so much for your act of kindness. You know, really appreciate it. So, you take over the money now. So, you know, when you start to play football, you have lots of this. You know that?
Which team are gonna play for?
Manchester.
Me and you is Liverpool.
Manchester United. Tell them. This team you're gonna play for? Liverpool or Man U? Which one? Liverpool. Oh, so you follow D. Alright then, mommy.
Yeah, man, and Kino, God bless you to reach out.
Yeah, man. The extended family. We call them extended family because when I call them
family.
Because when I call the donors them donors, we call them extended family because they're a family. Yes, because they're a family to be reaching out, you know. So you only can give thanks because you cannot say friend, you know, because family. Yes, I will thank them so much. So right now I see Zian becomes accountant now and get her all the money, you know. Yes guys, I'm gonna say we thank you so much, you know, for reaching out, and I'm gonna tell you, if you can continue to do so, you know, give your little boy a brighter future, you know, we thank you so much. D, what's your thoughts?
No, I just feel sorry for him, but I guess, yep, God has a reason for everything, and he'll be okay soon.
Yes.
And yeah, he'll be a testimony to others because that's 10 years. And I was just reasoning with Kina, and I'm like, imagine just 10 years and all this happens to you. Like, honestly, you could hate life and feel so bad about life, but yeah, I'm happy the mother is strong. He's also strong, you know. And guys, thank you so much for the love and support. Praying for him that all goes well so that he can walk again, you know, and so that he can also be a living testimony to others.
He will definitely be a living testimony. You want the elastic, Zayn? You want elastic up the thing here? Elastic and plastic up. Alright then. Vampire. Alright then, so come on then. Alright, take care, yeah?
Alright, thanks.
Zayn, later. Yeah.
Nothing to
I'm being there, cook money now.
Give me 1 liter of food.
What about there? In Bob Marley yard.
Yep, imagine he used to sit right here, so.
Yes.
Hey.
How does it feel to be in Bob Marley's yard?
Guys, I always wanted to come to Jamaica ever since I was a small little girl. Now that I'm here, still it feels like a dream.
Come true.
That is it. And there's a whole heap of mangoes.
Hey.
Every corner.
And a hockey.
Hey. So guys, Bob Marley house, where he used to live.
Yeah. This is where D. You want to go sit there?
Yeah, when I first came to Jamaica, I came here. And I was like, I need to come back and do another video as well.
Welcome, Bob Marley's yard.
Woman, no cry.
Sing it again.
No woman, no cry.
Oh.
No woman, no cry. That is it.
Yeah.
And another one that I love. 3 little birds on my doorstep.
Yes.
Every little thing gonna be alright.
Tell them again,
Baby, don't worry
No.
about a thing, cause every little thing gonna be alright. Hey, I'm telling you guys. I wish this house doesn't really fall. Like, I wish it was made like stronger.
True.
So that it doesn't fall down, because wow, you can imagine. Used to sit right here, bed right there, so.
And they run at the backyard here where they used to light the fire.
Backyard, yeah.
Down here they used to light the fire.
Imagine how it feels. Wow.
So this yard was cool.
I don't know why I wasn't born early so that I could come during those days and I was still alive.
So this is where them light the fire and all them vibes, chant the music, cook them food.
I'm telling you,
Right at the back here.
Wow. He was already a star when he was living here, right?
No, when he come here as a little boy.
Yeah, when he came as a small little boy,
Yes.
he used to live here.
Yeah. He leave sentence when he was young and came here.
And came to Trenchtown. Hey, guys, do you see why D loves Trenchtown? I just don't just stay nowhere. I stay where there's value. There's another man who says, if you get a Jamaican man, you get value, get substance. Do you know it, Kina?
Yeah.
What does he say?
If you get a Jamaican man, you get values,
You get substance, you get
everything.
I take you for vacation, you shop with my card.
You get everything.
You get everything nice.
It's life. Jamaica is nice, you know,
I'm
nice
telling you,
tropical.
This used to be his fridge.
That's a washing machine.
This used to be his washing machine.
And then there's no machine.
But honestly, I feel so good. I feel so humble.
Of course.
It feels nice. You see, the way people normally come from far and wide to go to my brother's compound, just to be there and say I've been to Mara's compound.
Yes.
Yeah, that is how it
So if you feel so good, imagine how me feel to born here in Trenchtown.
Yeah, it's
getting
such a
that feeling, guys. It's such a blessing.
And
to
like,
feel.
D loves the ghetto life. Why not?
Exactly.
I love where legends have been born and grown and everything because I'm one in the making.
Tell them how nice the ghetto is.
Oh my
all right,
gosh,
despite from, you know, everywhere you got violence, you got ups and you have downs.
Of course, even back in my country, it's crazy. Same way.
Exactly. But when you're here, you know, tell them about the vibes. This place never sleeps.
You can never get, like, the vibes you get in the inner city, you cannot get it nowhere. When you sleep in the hotels, it's really boring. Nobody has time for it. But here, there's a lot that is happening. It's always pure vibes. Sometimes you just want to sit out and just look. There's a lot happening.
It's like a movie.
It's like a movie.
Everything is happening. Like so many things happening.
And this big tree, wow, the breeze.
This is what I call guinea.
Yeah.
This is a guinea tree. Here's my friend Shanette. How you doing, Shanette?
Hey, I know her.
You miss. Say hello to my friend D.
Wagwan. Hello. You good?
Yes.
Nice to meet you. I love how you speak English.
English is my word.
Oh, nice. You went to school today?
Yep. Was super fun.
Oh, it was super fun. You just came back.
Yeah. No paying for nothing. Just fun day.
Alright. I'm happy for you. I can see right now you're walking, you know? You can run and come greet Kino. You're getting better each day, you know?
Of course.
That is it. Happy for you.
My friend Shanette. And we have the father for the ear. He's not a daughter over there as well too. Ven. How you doing, Ven? Alright. You're not washing plates today?
Yeah.
You washing plate?
Yeah.
High five. High five. You washing plate today?
High five. Yeah.
You good?
Yeah.
That is it.
So this is Ven, you know? School, you go to school today?
No.
She old school last year.
Oh, she old school. Oh, you're old school.
She's 23 that year.
Oh, 23 that year.
She's special school.
So she's got like she got like a baby brain. I don't know what's the name of it as well to like her.
Oh.
What's the name of it? What I'm saying she have?
School of she mentally interactive.
Yeah.
Reasonability, she know that.
Yeah.
She come like a 2 year.
Yeah.
Talk to her, she said. Only 2 years, John. You see me?
Yeah. And he's been there from the father.
Just keep she close me.
Yeah.
She come and do cause
people will take advantage. Yeah. Yes. I want nobody take disadvantage of her. Leave food for she eat and everything. So
That super father, you know,
yeah.
Tingo.
He's the father for the year, you know. Trust me. The real father for the years.
I love you, I put out everything. Can't hold back on nothing.
No. Show love every time, man.
Love she more still.
Yes. Yes. Of course. Sure, man, doing the right thing. I mean, I pass, because you know, I have a donation for you. Get in the bag. I have a donation I'm passing by. But Shanette don't want her dad go nowhere. Shanette, I'm going to take your dad over here to go follow us. What do you say?
This one or no?
No, it's got his name. Let me show you.
Yeah?
Your dad is going to come with me for a minute. Is that okay? She don't want, she don't want him to go nowhere at all. Nowhere at all. Can I come for a minute, Shanette? No?
We gotta go Africa.
To travel.
Daddy's gonna go on the plane. No.
No, it's just joking.
Me a chop with it, yeah? So I say, give it and be the man of the steel.
Yeah. Just be. Alright, Shanette, I got a donation for you. You know? What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do with this money?
Buy a box of Lays. That's the only thing I love.
Hey, your box of Lays. That's crisp.
Potatoes are healthy for people and they keep you vitamins strong.
Okay, so she know about the eggs. You know, so here's $3,000 a year.
From who?
From Dawn.
Oh, thank you, Don. You are so nice. I can barely see you, but I know you will receive this message from me. Thank you so much.
Okay, yeah, so we thank you so much, Dawn, from the USA to blessing Shanette. You know, she everything will go on. I got another donation here from Oliver from the USA, $10,000 as well too, from Oliver from the USA.
Oliver, give thanks and love how you appreciate what's going on here. Wife, father for the years. Love how you say, we need it, we need the help still. So keep helping and keep doing what you do. You gotta bless you anytime at all.
Yeah.
Love you.
Alright, then give thanks. And we also have one $10,000 worth from the Overcomers from the USA. 10,000 from the Overcomers.
Let's do $1,000.
Yeah.
So,
Overcomers.
Respect, gain a more life and give thanks for what you're doing still. Love it here. I hope you can help me more. Because I need the help straight. See? As a single father, I never thought right now. Enough time, she could go back to hospital.
And rough.
You see, if you have money to take a blood test.
So what happened with the, you say, she got doctor the other day, right?
The doctor with the platinum in her blood.
Weak.
And build it up after the vegetable and fruits, coconut water.
Yeah. Okay, with the color load.
Color load, cabbage and pork chop. Coconut water and fruits. Build up the platinum in her blood.
Yeah.
She can go through the x-ray.
Yeah.
So I now in time 12 of next month because I will.
Okay, 12 of next month.
So we have a couple more weeks.
You can build it up.
Yeah.
Alright then.
We have to do the color on the pop chow. Yeah, fruits at daytime, send out fruits at school. Snacks and everything.
Yeah. So them gonna take out the pin.
Yeah.
Out her leg, right?
So a nail, tall piece, them call it nail.
Nail.
But the foot is straight so. A piece of iron comes straight down.
Oh, it's a nail in there, so.
Yeah. Nail. That's you can't do it.
Okay, right.
So you want to cause a permanent damage, so I'm try to take it by next month.
Okay.
If anything wrong, you can't try our box still.
Yeah. Wow.
So that's me left and right now,
Yeah. Alright, then we give thanks and let's continue to do the good work, see me.
Never give up, you know.
Father for the year, you know. Remember
never
that.
Give up,
I guess your award will be arriving one day soon. Someone will be sending an award for your father for the year, you know.
Bless him. I love that.
Yes, something.
Yes.
Of course.
You see? Then we can help others and talk to them and give them a good word.
Yeah.
Do that. But no people. No good words, serious.
Yes.
We still deal youth and give them youth a good words.
Of course.
Because I mean that. You know, watching a youth fall by the wayside.
No. Because you wouldn't want it to happen to your kids, so you will do that.
Not at all.
You will do that. Alright then, Shanette. High five. I'm gonna go, okay? Yeah, you catch it this time. Alright then, take care, yeah? Until next time. Father for the year.
Yeah.
Big up. You know, I see. Whoa! Oh, chef is here, you know?
Make a shaker for you, man.
Yes.
First man speak African, man.
Yeah? So the first time you're shaking at someone from Africa and
tell them some love them, yeah?
Yeah. How does it feel?
My brother and sister them same way, yeah?
That is, you see, we look the same skin, same everything. Thank you. You're welcome.
That is it. Alright, everyone.
Later.
Whoa, you know?
Genius.
So just fly in.
Yeah,
make a link up the contractor overseas and like him say, tomorrow the phone come down so just a come, you know?
Yeah.
Tomorrow can be greater, you know?
Yes.
So, you know.
Or later.
Or later.
Yes.
Yeah, so, there upon the ground, man, if I try to go on, man.
That is it, wow.
Yeah, man, so. There, man, you see.
Alright, so we give thanks for the donation from the overcomers. I want to thank you so much. And also Don as well too for donation for Shanette Dad, you know, father for the year, as you can see. He's doing a wonderful work. I would thank him so much, you know, for helping out. And I'm here, I got D rolling with me for another day here in Trenchtown, seeing how the work get done, you know, walking around, you know the thing go.
Good job.
And we have Rasta Jackson, Obumbe. Alright. So heading back over. So,
You never bring me to these areas.
because we went road through the mini corners. So I can see everyone AC raining. It's the AC water. It's the AC water. So when you walk through here, you end up at Mother Teresa's place. Look, this is Mother Teresa's place here. He's chained up. He's chained up.
Hey guys, I need my feet to travel this way.
He's chained up. Big boy.
Yeah, I'm telling you, that's when you don't need even to close the door, just leave it open.
So this is my house where I was living. Right, this is my window. Right here. This is my window right here. Guys, this is my window. You know. Basically this room was my mom and dad room. And then my room is on the next side. But when my mom and dad they leave Jamaica, I took over this room, you know, and I was here in this room. This is where my grandma live, and this side is my grandma. You know.
Still there now?
No, my grandma, she passed away. That's my
10 years ago.
yes, from my father. But so this window was the hot spot where everyone come and watch TV. Right here. Whoa, chef can't tell everybody come here. You see me, and then come back. Everybody, yes. Everyone sit down right here
Right here.
and watch TV right here through the window.
You're the only one having TV.
No, that time we have cable and satellite. I was the only one having satellite here in Trenchtown. Yes, everybody come and watch. Yes, I will sell patty in the yard. This is patty where you like. My dad used to make it. Him and also Mother Teresa, baby dad used to make the patty.
Buy patty in the yard, come buy patty.
Everybody come buy patty, watching TV, watching wrestling, watching movie. Listen, at 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock in the morning, people around here watching. Oh, chef and everybody around here watch TV still. So most time I want to go to my bed and the TV just I look through my window and like more of them still there. Get up 2 o'clock, I look, they're still there.
Oh, it's a nice one in there, see me watch TV.
Come back, we don't still now move.
Yes, no one want to move.
You know what?
And this is my, yeah?
All the money you took on legs, where did you?
No, it's not me. So this is the yard with my plum tree there. Shara, I saw you. Never run, Shara, run. Yeah, she run gone in. Daniela. Hello, Daniela. Hello. Shara get cut. So this is my grandma's house. So you see, I come out the yard, out my yard here, and I walk right into my grandma's house. So I step out, boom.
The what did you call the jump?
No, it's plum. It's plum. It's not Joe plum. We call it. It's plum. It's sweet plum. So it used to come. The trees were so big. It come all the way over. People used to stand on the wall, picking plums and everything. Those were the days, man.
See how time flies.
Hey, I'm telling
Everything
you.
becomes memories.
Memories. Everything becomes memories, man.
Just like our old house, I wish it wasn't demolished.
Oh.
I wish it was like a museum or something.
Just so every time.
Nowadays I just watch the videos to see how it used to look like, and I'm like, I wish I created more videos.
No, I mean,
so that I could have a lot to watch.
It's like when you see that small thing there, like a dish.
Yeah.
I used to have the big one. It's the rusty one.
Yeah.
That's where it used to is. You know, the stand is still there. It was so big.
So people could watch football and everything.
Everything. Like, everything.
The boss of the
boss. It was my dad who buy it. My dad liked gadget. Anything want to buy for the kids then for us to comfortable, you know. So we used to watch here movies, everything, Disney Channel, everything as a little boy. Talpe! Take out the one for Talpe.
Talpe.
Talpe!
Hey, wait for the camera.
Kana.
Talpe. Barnaba.
Is another one for Talpe? No, just one.
Just one.
Oh, Talpe. There you go.
No, Dana. It's Kiana.
Kana. Kana, Miss Dasa, Damari.
Can do them once tomorrow.
Okay.
By the time, you know. Talpe. All is well.
All the time.
All the time. God is good all the time, right? So how is everything?
Not too bad.
Like a just wake.
No, not too long. With a boiled gold dumpling, you know?
Cold dumpling?
Gold.
Oh, gold?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Dumpling.
Kalalu?
No, it's a maki, you know?
Oh, so you take out gold? Or you put cornmeal in it? Okay.
Call it gold, you know?
So you put more cornmeal and flour?
Yeah, more and flour.
Okay, so your dumpling is yellow.
Yellow. Yeah.
Do you need to cook that one?
Okay.
Gold dumpling. So tell me I have 5,000 a year for you.
Yeah.
From Anonymous. From the USA, unknown. Anonymous.
From the USA, word for respect and word for love. God bless you and keep your word family. Hear that?
Yeah.
One team, one love, team all the time. Bless you.
Give that.
Angel Wellness.
Yeah.
I try to represent Jamaica citizenship.
Yeah.
That is quick and fast.
Quick and fast.
Quick and fast. Good news.
Yeah, man. I go and she get a Jamaica citizenship.
Yes.
She go have an African citizenship because she's born African, but I go and she get a Jamaica citizenship. Right now, eventually she's a Jamaican now.
Of course.
She is a Jamaican now. Right now we accept her in Jamaica. She's a Jamaican now.
Of course.
Yeah,
of course.
Yeah, man. About me.
She's a Jamaican now.
Right now, we're at that for a long time.
Yes, we're at that part now.
Long time.
Baby.
Baby is here. Come here.
I'm going to get a Jamaica citizenship, yeah? Yeah, try to get it now. Yeah. You
meet baby before?
No.
Baby?
We've met before now.
No.
Yeah.
Met? Where?
Long before.
Oh, when it just come? For the first time? Oh,
okay.
Long time.
Long time. I can't even remember.
Yes, a very long time.
That means you're African and you're Jamaican.
At the same time. At the same time, we have two. We're Africa.
Jam Africa. Jam Africa.
Jam Africa. Yeah. So you're a Jam Africa.
Jam Africa.
You can even cancel out the Africa.
Hey. She wanna give it to him quick and fast. Take it easy, man.
Is he going to give the rest?
Tomorrow.
Oh, okay.
Cause the time is gonna get dark now. I know GoPro with lighting. So them one that will give them out tomorrow. Alright then. So guys, so we thank. So we have baby. Big up yourself, baby. It's been a while, I say baby. Yeah man, how is everything? How you feeling?
Alright so far.
Can't complain.
Yeah.
Big up Sophia because she sent something for Sam the other day.
At all time I'm big up Sophia. And then Sophia alone, I'm big up the extended family same way, though.
Yes.
One team, dream team, same way, not change.
Not
just circumstances. But then I really see me because you know what they must stick out and back again. Yeah.
Alright, that is it guys. So yeah man, so she's feeling much better now. You know, you think about weather changes, a lot of things changes here in Jamaica, so she's feeling a bit better now. So guys, so we thank you so much. You know, we're gonna continue the journey same way, because I know it's getting dark same way. So we give thanks for each and everyone for the love and the support. Whoa, we know Mother Teresa over there, the Mwango Tall B. You know, everything goes already. So blessed love guys, blessed love. Naga, I'll go on. All is well. And she name again?
If you don't know, well, man, I tell you.
Where's the color? What's your name?
Brit.
Yeah, Brit Jam.
I know her on YouTube.
And you?
And TikTok.
On TikTok. You was telling me about you earlier, but you the name slip my mind.
Yeah, and that's your name every day for my life, boy, too.
Yeah.
Yeah, so he's a blogger on YouTube, right?
Yeah. So just like how you don't know me and I mean just here for the first time. Check me out on YouTube, Kino Life in Jamaica.
Check me up on TikTok, X Naga.
Okay, so me have to go there.
Do for do and check me out on YouTube. Nagadan versus Purge.
Nagadan versus Purge.
Yeah.
Purge. Oh, you know, so one time I see him walk through the place about 2nd Street in my one next. Yes. Yeah. See there? I have a premiere going right now. See there? Premiere going right now. Rasta.
You know what this is? The first person who has ever gifted me in Trenchtown.
What is that?
I've never gotten a gift from nobody. This is a sign of life. This is a woman and this is man. That is it.
That is it.
Yeah. Thank you.
I'm on video premiere live now.
Yeah.
So this is the Empress Dimongo from Kenya.
Oh, hello.
Hello.
Brit.
There, big up yourself.
That is it. Big up yourself as well too. Yeah.
So that's Naga. Come and make a meet with an Empress from Kenya. Yeah.
Greetings.
Naga himself, great jam, you know.
Yeah.
So Naga, so I go on. What kind of breeze blow you right now up on 3rd Street?
All over the world, but not one place.
One place. Global. Yeah, no, you're that Rima now.
Yeah. All about me.
Rima. Oh, I'm a great colors apart. Hey. Colors famous, you know. Colors was on TikTok, so I think she do TikTok live.
Oh.
Brits.
Dream. Come hug me. Come give me a hug.
Oh yes. Dream on her father. You own her now.
Give me a kiss.
Dream on her father apart.
All good.
Dream, baby. Dream.
How do you call her now?
My cousin.
Yeah, Kino's cousin.
She's my cousin.
Pretty girl.
Dream, what my dream.
Tell Kino, leave me alone.
Sing ABC for me. She can sing ABC, you know. Yeah, sing.
Sing ABC.
Sing it for me, Dream. A B C D E F G. Come now. Sing it. Come now.
Sing.
She can go on sometimes. She show off.
Yeah.
Come on, Dream.
Sometimes she just wanna show.
Yeah. And when she's ready to be quiet, trust me.
Quiet. And when she doesn't want nobody, that is it. Dream.
It's something else.
You're the best. Kino's cousin.
Hey. So she gonna bust my head.
Yeah?
So she gonna burst my head with a stone. But Kino make a bust your head.
That's what she said?
Yeah.
Big woman.
Big woman.
Hey, gonna bust Kino's head, no?
Exactly.
Where is daddy? I met the dad the other day.
Yeah. Oh, I need to go for my car.
Oh yeah, it has been washing forever. If I was the one washing, I could have taken rounds.
There's a camera in there.
Oh.
You come go walk, go for it.
Okay.
Tell them about your YouTube channel as well to put mine.
Oh guys, and you can give me a follow up on YouTube. Nagadan versus Purge. I'm gonna say all of the video them, and if it's not a YouTube person and I like TikTok to mix match, you know, so I'm gonna check out Brit X Naga 2023 on TikTok.
Alright. And this is Naga here. When you hear about Naga, a lot of them will see him face. Give them a slam.
That is, you understand that is a must?
That is a must.
Yeah.
That is a must.
Yeah.
That is a must.
Kids get cool though.
Big up guys, so welcome. This is Kino Life here in Jamaica. Guys, check me out on YouTube. So this is Kino Life in Jamaica. We do charity, we do adventure, we do every little thing.
We can't come on the charity program. We want some help with Jim Bro.
Hey, a Jim Bro on this?
Yeah.
A Jim Bro on this?
Yeah.
A Jim Bro, a Jim Bro on this? Yeah. Original Jim Bro on this?
Yeah.
So you're not dancer of all dance, man?
Nagadan.
But you are dancer of all dance?
Yeah.
So you forgive me a help, man? Are you name Jim?
I hit me a look.
And are you name Jim Brown? Come on, man.
No, you not one.
So you the Jim Brown, your account can't empty, you know. Are you name Jim Brown, you know? When you hear Jim Brown, you dance for a dance, right? Come on, Jim, bro. Make something go on now. Yes, guys, so you can check me out, Kino Life in Jamaica. Kino Life in Jamaica. You can go and check me out and tell me what you like, and you see what you like.
Yeah.
Dream team, one team. That is it. You know?
I remember you can't help I need the cars over there. Scarface if you type one more time so I love Jamaican girls.
Hey, colors.
You're not.
Alright. Yeah. Yeah.
Watch out now, you see Life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we'll make it there. It's gonna be a better day. It's gonna be a better end.